Greetings, everyone. Welcome to another exciting edition of Finance, Tech, Leadership, and Life, Coffee, Sandwich, and the Secret Sauce of Success series. I'm your host, Sarah, here to guide you through a delightful blend of finance, tech, leadership, and personal growth, all served with a side of coffee and sandwiches. This show is all about sharing practical strategies, inspiring stories, and uncovering the secret ingredients for excelling in both work and life. Today, we have a very special guest joining us, a true powerhouse of inspiration and wisdom, Swaminathan Sankaran. Swami is a renowned motivational speaker, corporate trainer, mentor, and the director of AskTenali.com. With over 25 years of experience in leadership, motivation, sales, and self-development, his workshops have transformed countless professionals. Swami's approach emphasizes creativity, positivity, and impactful leadership, making him a trusted guide for anyone striving to reach new heights. Swami, it's such a pleasure to have you here. So, tell us what's brewing today?
Greetings and thank you, Sarah, for inviting me to this podcast. Today's topic is, what are the types of insurance I must have? This episode answers the big question, what types of insurance must you have? We'll dive into it with stories, tips, and a little workplace drama featuring, you guessed it, coffee and sandwiches. I remember an incident. It was a typical office morning, team huddled over coffee and sandwiches, prepping for a big meeting. Sarah, juggling her coffee, phone, and laptop, tripped over Bob's stray gym bag. Coffee flew, her phone crashed to the floor, and Bob's sandwich? A casualty of the splash zone. Amid the chaos, the team launched into a debate: can insurance cover a destroyed sandwich? While the answer provided laughs, it sparked a deeper conversation about what insurance actually does cover. From health to auto and renter's insurance, Sarah's spill became the perfect lesson on why the right policies can save you more than just your electronics and your dignity. Here is another one. Let me start with a quick story. A few years ago, my colleague Dave, we called him Deadline Dave, had just bought his dream car, a shiny new SUV. One Monday morning at the office, we were all chatting over coffee and sandwiches, and Dave dropped the bombshell: he'd skipped comprehensive auto insurance to save a few bucks. A month later, a freak hailstorm turned his prized possession into a very expensive paperweight. Dave spent years paying off that car loan for a vehicle he couldn't even drive. That story drives home our first essential insurance type: auto insurance. Whether you're in the USA or South Korea, having liability coverage is mandatory, but comprehensive and collision insurance, those are the real MVPs when disaster strikes. And here's the tip or sauce ingredient: think of insurance not as an expense, but as a safety net that keeps you from falling into financial quicksand. Now let's talk health insurance, because nothing drains your bank account faster than unexpected medical bills. Last year, during our annual office health fair, Susan from HR shared how her health insurance covered a massive surgery her family member needed. Without it, she'd have been saddled with tens of thousands in debt. Here's the deal: a good health plan isn't just about doctor visits. Look for one that includes preventative care, dental, and vision. Quick tip for all my American listeners: take full advantage of employer-sponsored plans, health savings accounts, HSAs, or flexible spending accounts, FSAs. These can save you big on taxes and out-of-pocket expenses. And let's not forget the big one: life insurance. A friend of mine once joked, "Why do I need life insurance? I'm not planning to die anytime soon." And yet, life insurance isn't about you, it's about protecting the people who depend on you. Term life insurance is a great option for affordable coverage, while whole life insurance can double as an investment tool. For our global audience, whether you're tuning in from Singapore, India, or the UK, keep this in mind: life insurance premiums are often lower when you're young and healthy. Waiting too long to get coverage can cost you big in the long run. Now, here's a workplace anecdote to spice things up. Last month, during a lunch and learn session, yes, there were sandwiches, we debated what's more important, renter's insurance or travel insurance. Turns out, both are crucial, depending on your lifestyle. Renter's insurance is a must if you're renting an apartment. It covers personal belongings and liability. Travel insurance, on the other hand, is essential for globetrotters. A delayed flight or lost luggage can turn a dream vacation into a nightmare without proper coverage. So, what's the takeaway? Insurance might not be exciting, but it's the secret sauce to financial peace of mind. Always read the fine print, compare plans, and don't skimp on coverage to save a few dollars upfront. Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you so much, Swami, for sharing your wisdom and energy with us today. And thank you, listeners, for joining us on this journey toward success and excellence. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with someone who needs a dose of inspiration. Until next time, keep sipping your coffee, savoring your sandwiches, and discovering the secret sauce to success. This is Sarah, signing off. Take care and stay inspired.